Hey, what up, you guys? Chef Billy Parisi here from BillyParisi.com, and today I'm going to be whipping up a delicious shaved Brussels sprout salad with all sorts of goodies all over the top. Man, I don't know about you guys, but after the holidays, whether it be winter or the string in the summer there, I feel like hot garbage after eating all this stuff. Super heavy casseroles, or whether I'm eating burgers and hot dogs every other weekend during the summer, I need a detox. I'm sick of feeling like 15 different kinds of booty. So here's what we're gonna do, you guys. We're gonna do a 5-series detox so we can get back to feeling good, get back in the gym, because man, I need a little break from all this stuff. So what we're gonna do is whip up this amazing shaved Brussels sprout salad. Yeah, try to save that 10 times fast. Crazy, could barely do it on this. So I'm gonna show you first how to pickle some onions. So go ahead and using a mandolin slicer, or unless you've got some insane mad knife skills, slice up a red onion very thin. Now in a bowl, we're gonna add in some red wine vinegar. We're gonna hit it with some sugar, a little bit of salt. Go ahead and whisk that together until it is combined. It's okay if there's some of those granules at the bottom of that bowl. Go ahead and add in those onions, give a little mix, press down, make sure they are submerged, and only 20 to 30 minutes, put them in the refrigerator. You're gonna get a really nice pickle on these onions. Now, let's hard boil some eggs. So go over to your cooktop, add a pot of water on there, crank that heat up to high. Once it comes to a boil, go ahead and add your eggs in. Do it gently, or else the egg's gonna crack and you're gonna get whites everywhere. We're gonna cook it for 4 minutes. After that time, put a cap on it, turn the heat off, and cook it for another 4 minutes. Now the eggs are done. They're gonna have a little slightly soft yolk in the middle. That's exactly how I like it. Over to the sink, drain some of that water off. It's too hot. Hit it with some ice. This is gonna help chill it. And then simply add in some cool water all the way to the top. We're gonna let it sit until it gets down nice and cool, or to room temperature. Now we're gonna make a really simple vinaigrette. If you have a favorite vinaigrette that you love from the store, just use that. You'll save just a couple minutes, but I'm gonna show you how to make one of mine. It's delicious and it's gonna go really, really well with our Brussels sprout salad. So in a bowl, go ahead and add in some lemon juice. Just gonna squeeze this in using my hand to catch any seeds. Next, we're gonna hit it with some apple cider vinegar. We're gonna add in just a little bit of mayonnaise to help sort of emulsify our vinaigrette, not too much. We wanna keep this on the healthy side. Next, we're gonna add in some fresh thyme. Followed up with just a wee bit of sugar. You can absolutely substitute with honey here. We're gonna season it up with salt and pepper, and last but not least, we are gonna drizzle in some oil. Please use a healthier oil like an algae oil or a grapeseed oil would work perfect here. Whisk it together until it's nice and creamy and emulsified. Set it to the side. Now it is time to just prep up our vegetables. We're gonna assemble and dig in. Detox time, homies. So we're gonna start off by thinly slicing up some fresh fennel on the mandolin. Now, to make sure the fennel doesn't turn colors, because it will brown quickly, we're just gonna simply hold it in a bowl full of cold water. It's gonna help keep it crisp and nice and white. And now we're gonna medium dice up some apples. I'm gonna be using a combination of Granny Smith and Fuji. Just go ahead and remove them from the core, and then medium to large dice them up, both the Granny Smith, then the Fuji. You could use a Honeycrisp or even a Gala apple would be fine. And here's another little trick that I learned way back in the day. Apples seem to turn really quickly. Obviously they get really brown, and a lot of people use water or maybe a little lemon juice in water. They still kind of turn brown. The best solution I have for this is pineapple juice. They will literally hold up to 48 hours, be crisp, be in color, will not brown on you. You're welcome. So hold them in some pineapple juice in case you want to make this salad for later. And next we're gonna be using some pomegranate seeds. Dude, these things can be impossible to get out of that shell. Here's a really quick, easy way to get them out and quickly and intact. Go ahead and slice that pomegranate right in half. Flip it over, and using a heavy wooden spoon, just simply smack it all the way around. You'll notice they start to fall out like rain, dude. They will be all over your cutting board, and you will sing rejoicingly that, holy cow, these things all came out without that white pit everywhere. And dude, awesome trick, super easy to use. We're gonna do it with those pomegranate seeds. Last but not least, we've got the Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna be using a mandolin again. You can for sure use a knife if you've got some awesome knife skills. Go ahead and hone those if you do. On a mandolin, super thin, shave those Brussels sprouts. This is gonna take just maybe 5 minutes or so because we're doing 2 pounds of Brussels. Shave them nice and thin, and now it's time to plate up our delicious salad. So we've got a huge bowl of shaved Brussels sprouts. Next, I'm gonna add on some of that shaved fennel. We're gonna hit it with some dried cherries, gonna add some really awesome tart sweetness to this salad. Gonna hit it with some sliced almonds, some of those delicious apples we diced up, some blue cheese for some awesome contrast to this salad, some of those pickled onions, the eggs that we boiled up, pomegranate seeds, and last but not least, in all Chef Billy Parisi style, we're gonna put on some microgreens. Boom, we are done. Let's give it a shot. You guys, the salad looks amazing. The flavor combination is to die for. You are gonna love this. Seriously, no joke. And if you saw some of that beginning footage in this video, you saw there was some salmon and some chicken. I'm not including that as part of the recipe because, you know, we've got eggs, we've got some protein in there, but I did want to put it in there because it does go great in this salad. If you want a little bit of extra seafood or chicken in there just because you want to do a heavy protein diet starting this new year or after any crazy food holiday, this is just really great things to add in. They go wonderfully. Let's not wait any longer. Let's try it out. Bro. That dressing is killer. I had a little salmon on mine. Love salmon. The blue cheese cherry apple combo. Dude. All right, come back next week. It's gonna be detox time, you guys. Choking on my own spit. Be sure to click some of those little iCards that are coming up because they are gonna take you to that next detox recipe. All right, y'all, we'll catch up with you later.